everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My channel is about cleaning, positive lifestyles, and DIY. So today we're going to be planting lemon trees. So I've always wanted a lemon tree, but we've always lived in an apartment. However, I planted 11 of them. At the end of this video, I will show you guys how they turn out. I will be giving some away to some friends and family, and I'll be keeping about 2 or 3. I am from a family of farmers, and my dad's a farmer, some of my aunts are farmers. I was raised, like with my hands in the dirt, but not as much because I did live in Kingston, Jamaica, and I would visit my grandparents in the country, and she would always take me to the farm with them, so I've always enjoyed that, and as I said, I was gifted with the green thumb. So today, I'm going to teach you guys how to plant lemon trees. It's actually not very hard. I thought it was a lot more difficult, but I've done some research and found out that it's actually quite easy. It might take you a while before you get a fruit from it, but you just have to water it, nurture it, and it needs lots of sunlight. Because we live in Canada, I'll be taking the lemon trees away from the window because it's freezing cold, and they are citrus trees and they don't like to be cold. So on that note, let's go and plant these lemon trees. I took some lemon seeds from a lemon that I ate. I placed them in a damp paper towel, placed them in a box at the bottom of my closet for about 10 days. You can keep them there longer if you'd like. When planting any trees or plants, make sure that you're planting them in a pot that has drainage so you don't get root rot. Don't forget to water. You will need to water your lemon trees at least once a week. Don't forget to give it lots of sunlight. thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed my video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Catch you later.